Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Today we are going to talk about the mess that is happening in Maharashtra. But before that, if you are watching this video on YouTube, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel and comment below it and like the video so that it can reach to as many people as possible. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, then please like our page and share this video to maximum number of people. Let's now talk about the case. The Antilia bomb scare case, which began with the investigation into the suspicious Scorpio with gelatin sticks inside it, has turned out to be a can of worms. Every day, new twists and turns are coming to light. The thread of suspicion led from API Sachin Waze to former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh and Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. After being shunted from the office, former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh issued a letter accusing Home Minister Anil Deshmukh of asking police officials to collect 100 crore rupees. Now the cop has moved to Supreme Court against his transfer. His Supreme Court petition reveals a lot more from inside the world of politics, police and the nexus in between in Mumbai Police Department. If you want to make sense of all these developments, do watch the editorial with Sujit Nair where he talks about 3 aspects of this case. You can also click on the I button on the top of this video to watch it. Now let's talk about Parambir's letter to Supreme Court. In his letter to the top court, Parambir Singh accused Anil Deshmukh of using junior officers in the force to collect money from establishments in Mumbai like hotels, restaurants and dance bars, etc. He sought a free and fair investigation by the CBI before the evidence is destroyed by Deshmukh. He also accused the Maharashtra Home Minister of taking bribe for transfer and posting in the department. And for this, he also cited a letter by Rashmi Shukla. Now, who is Rashmi Shukla? What was the letter she wrote? And what happened to her posting after the letter? We will understand in this video today. At a time when the pressure is mounting on the MVA government over the Sachin Waze case, opposition leader Devendra Fadnavis addressed a press conference today where he cited the case of Rashmi Shukla. Referring to her letter, IPS Rashmi Shukla, he accused that transfer posting racket is running in Maharashtra and in collusion with big leaders and officials in the state. Now, who exactly is Rashmi Shukla? The IPS officer Rashmi Shukla mentioned in the press conference by Fadnavis is currently Assistant Director General in the Central Reserve Police Force. Prior to this, she was a commissioner in the Intelligence Department of Maharashtra. Parambir Singh and Rashmi Shukla both are 1988 batch IPS officers. Rashmi Shukla hit the headlines due to her letter which was written last year which claimed that the involvement of top officers and bureaucrats is there in the transfer posting racket. Rashmi Shukla also claimed to have a phone recording as evidence with the letter. Now, what did she write in the letter? On August 25th, 2020, Rashmi Shukla wrote a letter addressed to the Maharashtra DG, then Director General of Maharashtra Subodh Jaiswal, and in the letter she wrote that she investigated the whole case of corruption in the transfer and posting after receiving multiple complaints and allegations that some politically connected brokers were working for the transfers of the police. For this, she even tapped some calls, some phone numbers were under surveillance. She said that for this, she had also taken required permission. After tapping these phone calls and collecting other information, some shocking things had come to light. In the letter to Jaiswal, she said, and I quote, "I think we should immediately inform the Chief Minister about this. The allegations that have been made are shocking and the facts that have come out are blatantly true." She mentioned in the letter that some brokers are working for police transfer racket and all of this is closely linked to some powerful politicians. The racket of brokers working for transfer is a serious matter and this includes transfers from police inspectors to senior positions. The letter further added that the data and information that has come to light also shows that such a situation had arisen in 2017 as well. Now, mind you, back in 2017, Fadnavis government was still in power in Maharashtra. A case was registered then under various sections of IPC including IPC section 402, 419, IPC section 465, 467, 468, IPC section 471, 170, 511 and 34, etc. 7 people were also arrested in this regard, and Nawaz, one of the arrested accused, she said, has become active once again. Now, this is what she had written in the letter. She further wrote that this whole matter should be brought to notice of the Chief Minister, that is Uddhav Thackeray, and also appropriate action should be taken against those who are guilty in this case. It is not appropriate for this kind of racket of brokers intervening in the appointments in the police force, so the image of the police is tarnished. You should consider, that is, she is talking to Subodh Jaiswal, she is writing this to Subodh Jaiswal and saying that he should consider that all the points in her letter should be considered very carefully, and the matter must be escalated to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray immediately. Now, after revelation and after Fadnavis spoke about Rashmi Shukla, what exactly happened? MVA leaders called her a BJP agent. Now, as soon as Fadnavis mentioned Shukla's letter in his press conference, the MVA went on a complete defensive. NCP spokesperson Nawab Malik said that the allegations are false and called Rashmi Shukla a BJP agent. However, in an even more sensational allegation, he said that Rashmi Shukla had tapped phones of political leaders of opposition during the power struggle in Maharashtra after the assembly poll result in 2019. He called her a habitual phone tapper and said that she did not seek any permission from the Home Ministry for the same. He said since the leaders of the MVA government knew about illegal phone tapping done by Rashmi Shukla, a separate post was created instead of directly shunting her. Now, meanwhile, Devendra Fadnavis has said that he has close to 6.3 GB data in connection with the racket. He is in Delhi today to meet the Home Secretary and seek a CBI probe in the entire matter. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said defending Deshmukh has made a serious dent in political credibility of senior NCP leader Sharad Pawar. Now, what happens further in this case, what turn it takes, remains to be seen. We will keep updating you on the matter. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. Before leaving our audience, a very small request for all of you. We have launched a membership drive on our YouTube channel HW News English to support independent journalism like what we do. Please do click on the join button and join our membership. The details of the membership, the levels of membership will be given to you in the video that is following. So do join the membership and support independent journalism. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.